In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Soundation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can take your finished track out of Soundation and onto your device in the format that suits your needs. First, make sure you're logged into your Soundation account. If you've been working on your music already, logging in ensures you're accessing the correct workspace and all your latest changes are saved to the cloud. Once you're in, open the project you want to download. Give it a quick listen from start to finish and watch your master meter to ensure nothing is clipping. It's also a good idea to tidy up any last-minute edits, like trimming silence at the beginning or end. With your project open, look to the right side of the interface. That's where you'll find the export button. It may be near the top right depending on your screen size. Click Export to bring up your download options. Soundation makes this simple by offering three choices: low-res, high-res, and WAV. Here's what those mean. Low-res creates a smaller, compressed audio file that's quick to download and easy to share for previews or casual listening. High-res is still a compressed format, but at a higher quality that preserves more detail. Great for sharing with collaborators or posting where you want better fidelity without a huge file size. WAV is uncompressed and lossless, which means no quality loss at all. It's the best choice for archiving, further mixing, or mastering, and any situation where you want the cleanest possible version of your track. Choose the option that matches your goal. If you're just sending a draft for feedback, low-res is often enough. For near-final sharing, high-res is a strong pick. If you're heading into mastering or you want a definitive copy, select WAV. It's important to know that exporting is a paid feature in Soundation. If you're on a free plan, you may see a lock icon on these options, and you won't be able to download until you're on a plan that includes exporting. If that's the case, check your account status and consider upgrading when you're ready to export. After you've made your selection, Soundation will process the file. Keep the tab open while it prepares your download. Once it's ready, your browser will start the download or you'll be prompted to save the file. That's it, your project is now on your device in the format you chose. To recap, log in, open your project, click Export on the right side, and pick low-res, high-res, or WAV based on your needs, keeping in mind that exporting requires a paid plan. Happy producing!